Ever notice your phone still makes tiny tap sound even when Do Not Disturb is on? Those little sounds you hear when typing or touching the screen are called touch sound. With a simple setting, you can decide whether to keep them on or completely silent while Do Not Disturb is active. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb. Next, tap Alarms and Sound. Now, enable or disable touch sound. You can enable it if you want to hear tap sound during Do Not Disturb, or disable it to keep your phone completely silent, which is handy if you want full silence during meeting or bedtime. No accidental clicks or keyboard taps. And that's how you control touch sound while Do Not Disturb is on. Whether you want total silence or just a little feedback, your Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you decide. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.